Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will explain how to remove and replace the emergency switch, emergency light switch, and the DTC and unlock switch on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. Okay, that switch is located between the center vents. So we're going to show you guys how to do that now. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, so if you need help with anything, okay, don't forget guys to subscribe to the channel. We'll be uploading so many videos, and drop a comment. We'll try to make that video for you if you have any specific problems. So let's start on it now. So all the tools guys and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Check it out, that's for your convenience. So let's start on it now. First, okay, we need to get prying tools, plastic panel removal tools. Okay, I have a couple here that I'll be using today. And usually if you come right here, okay, just saw some glue here. Okay, come right here underneath. Okay, you have to be very gentle how you push, because if you push too much, okay, let me show you what could happen. You can crack your wood. Okay, you can see how somebody cracked it here. That's because when it was removed. And now I'll get the other two and gently, okay, start prying the clips out. Okay, came out on this side. Okay, now let's see on top. A few here. You have to kind of like pull on it a little bit at the same time. Okay, to be careful not to cause any damage to the dash. A little bit stuck on this side. Okay, it looks like it has a clip right here in the corner, holding really tight. Okay, it came out. Now, right here in the middle you have two wires that you will need to disconnect. Okay, and let me see if I can get enough light here. First, you need to disconnect the ignition switch wire. Okay, the one right here. So press down right here on these two, pull it out. Okay, just like that. Now we have wires underneath, and we need to flip it the other way now. Okay, to disconnect them. Okay, so with a small flathead screwdriver, we're gently prying this wire out. It has one tooth holding in place. And after that we have one more wire that we need to figure out how to reach now. And now that switch guys, if you cannot reach the wires, actually the correct way, we just figured it out, is if you grab the switch from the inside with your hand, push on it really hard, it's going to come out. Okay, so you can disconnect the wire like that now. Okay, just like that. So practically you can remove the switch without removing the thing, but there is a possibility you're going to break a vent or the switch. So we recommend to remove it first, so you can grab it with your fingers from behind and push it out, because it has two clips, okay, on top and two on bottom. So as you can see, this is the switch, made in Italy, German car made in Italy. Part numbers and stuff will be listed in the description of the video below. If you need it, you can check out there. So the new switch, you can just connect it and you can install all that and just push the switch in later. Okay, you can see it just like that. But I recommend to remove the piece so you can push it out, otherwise you can damage your vents, and those vents are pretty expensive. Okay, so let's see if everything works after we did all that stuff. Okay, perfect. DTC switch, yep, it works. And lock unlock switch works as well. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.